Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, today we're going to be doing a tutorial for Weak When You're Not Around by Blackbear. Alright, it's a pretty complex yet simple song. Alright, I know that sounds a bit weird and you're like, hang on Chris, what's going on here? Basically, it's 6 chords, alright, and the riff repeats itself all the way through the song. Alright, so once you've got it down, once you know it, it literally repeats constantly. There's no changes, just stays the same all the way through the song. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the bit of it, and then we'll progressively work our way up so that you guys are playing just like Blackbear. Alright, so first thing you need to know is your guitar is in standard tuning and you do not require a capo for this. Alright, this song uses 6 bar chords. Alright, if you really do struggle with bar chords, I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to play bar chords. Make sure you check that out. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first bar chord you're going to need is a D sharp minor. Alright, now to play a D sharp minor, all you're going to do is you're going to take that first finger, you're going to place it on the 6th fret from the 5th string down, and you're going to bar it. Alright, so when I say bar, you've got to use this finger to play every single string. You just got to crush it down, you've got to push it down nice and hard, and get a nice clear sound out of every note. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your 3rd and your 4th finger, and you're going to add them here on the 8th fret, alright, on your 3rd and 4th strings, like so. And this little middle finger, or 2nd finger should I say, goes right here in the middle on the 7th fret on the 2nd string. That is your D sharp minor. Okay, so just play that twice. Alright, I know you're thinking that's not how it sounds, but just go with it, alright? Then take that shape and just slide it all the way up to the 11th fret. Alright, so you've gone from 6th to 11th. Okay, 2, 1, 2, alright, and then you're going to slide all the way down to the 4th, alright. Now instead of this shape, right, being a minor shape, you're going to take this and you're going to go for a major. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your your 3rd and your 4th fingers and move them down a string, and then you're going to take your 2nd finger and add it just above it, alright. So you've got this kind of A shape, alright, so there's your barring finger on the 4th fret. And then your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th are all squished together on the 6th fret on your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings. And again, play that twice. And then take that shape and slide it up to the 9th. Play it twice again. So far, you should have something like this. Let's try it together. Nice and slow, and we'll build up speed, alright? So, major shape, remember? 9. Alright, and you play that through twice. Alright, so 6, 11, change to major on the 4th, and to 9, and repeat. Okay, and then what happens next is, you know that first shape that you were using on the 6th? Alright, this shape here? What I want you to do, take that shape and move every single finger up one string, like so, okay? So you're now barring from the 6th string down, your 3rd and 4th fingers are on the 5th and 4th strings, and your 2nd finger's down there on the 3rd, okay? And then slide it up to the 7th, okay? So this is a B. And then just play this 4 times, slide it down to the 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so add that all together, okay? So remember 6, 11, 4, 9. 6, 11, 4, 9 to 7, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6. Right? That is the basic. Alright, that is the riff. Basically, alright, but as you know, Blackbear adds little bits of fingerstyle in there, a bit of slides, adds a little bit more flair to it. Okay, so if you are a beginner, alright, put the song on and just practice that over and over and over again, over the top, finding the timings and everything like that. Now, let's move on to where things get a little bit more complex. Okay, so originally, we had this. Alright, you're just strumming, doesn't really sound great. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to flare it up a little bit. Alright, so from this first shape, alright, what I want you to do is play your 5th string, so your bass note, and then I want you to go 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, see if I can get in nice and close. Alright, so 5, 2, 3, 4, 3. Alright. Alright, so then I want you to hit that 5th string and slide it. Get a nice clean slide on there, so. Alright, when you get up to that 11th, all you're going to do is you're going to use your 2nd and 1st finger and play the 2nd and 3rd strings along with the bass note, so the 5th note. Like that. So far. Alright, and you use that same pattern on the next part. So down at the 4th, up to the 9th. Alright, so starting to sound a little bit, yeah, kind of. Alright, so that is things starting to get a little bit more complex. You're starting to sound more and more like the song. Alright, so you play that, alright, remember to repeat it. And when you come to this bit, when you're playing on the 7th fret, up all the way up on the 6th string, alright, all you're going to do is play your bass note, and then your 3rd and 4th. 4, 2, 3. Alright, so that is how you play it. A little bit more complex now, alright? And if you actually listen to the song, he adds his own little kind of fill. It's like a... Now let me just play it and then I can figure it out for you guys. That's it. So you go, so you've got this shape here, yeah? The 6th, you've just finished, and then all you're going to do is play on the 5th string, 7, 9, 8, 6. Alright, so you're going to go 9, 8, 6. Back to that original thing, alright? Alright, and that's pretty much the basics of the song. That's pretty much how he plays it, alright? You can add your own little flair onto it. Like I say, I always add my own little flair, alright? I will never teach a song exactly as it's played because I play by ear, alright? I learn everything by ear. Alright, I could be completely wrong in this, but I've listened to the song a couple of times this morning and that's what I've got from it. So remember, so you're going to go 6, starting off with. Alright, and then you're starting to build it up. Oops. Alright, and then find your own flair, add your own little bit to it, but that is it. Alright, once you've got that down, put the song on, play through it, add your own little twist onto it, alright, and make it your own and enjoy it, alright, that's what guitar is all about. Anyway guys, I do hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. I hope you've learned a new song today and everything is hunky-dory, and I'm glad to have been able to help you. Alright, I do apologise again for having to play this on my electric, but my acoustic is completely broken. If you don't know why, make sure you check out my updates video that I posted yesterday on my channel called Updates, Q&As, Drunken Videos, Broken Guitars, and more. Alright, anyway guys, like I said, hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.